Here she is, guys. I'll go through all of this once we get to the unit. That she's on, ready to go now. Just blocking up the traffic a little bit. Got this gelato. That's English weather. What the fuck? So it's a 316 originally, that's why you got drum brakes. It's an engine swap, it's got this which is certainly good. So it's had a few battle scars. So basically it's a 328 turbo. Put into this. Yeah, I bought it because it was sitting for a year and they sold it to me for a good price. But it needs a few bits sorting out, which is the spark plugs, the fuel, and a few bits and bobs, sensors. You can see. But yeah, we went to took the coils out. But as it was parked up outside, 3 to 8, on the inside, we got sparkle bucket seats, everything. Hydro is going to get a different hydro, it's going to get a different shifter, different gauges, gauges, whatever you want to call them, different steering wheel. The seats are staying for now, but yeah, there's going to be a few bits and bobs done to it. Sick. I'm gonna go into this. I'm gonna take Hoover and try to get the water out, then get the spark plugs out, change the spark plugs, dry up the coil packs, put the coil packs back on, put a new battery, remount the battery to the back, but that's gonna be different episode. But on today's video we're gonna do the sensor, the 2 sensors, the spark plugs, the coil packs, to dry them out and clean them and see how it goes and take it out for a spin and see how it is. It's been dynoed at 401.4 bhp, so it's pretty rapid. I've not drove it properly because I drove it on snow, as you've seen in the video, but savage car. And stay tuned with taking all the water out and hopefully run sweet. Cleaned up the coil packs, cleaned up the spark plugs. We'll see how it goes. I'll buy new spark plugs for it soon, but everything's clean, the coil packs are clean. Now everything ready to put back on. Straightened out that corner a little bit. the number plates are on. So I'm gonna take this off, sunstrip. This. Let's see how it goes. So get it from Poland, then it's cheaper. Here's the new ECU. This is the old ECU. So I need to take this chip out, put it into this new ECU, then plug it into this and pray it runs. It's from Pinta on Facebook. If you look at him, it's been mapped and dynoed to 401 bhp and 585 newton meters. And yeah, so we see if this piece of shit starts and run. Now we've got the ECU with the new chip. Now we're going to plug it in and hope it starts. Plugged in. Okay, now let's hope it runs. Yo, she runs. So first test drive after the new ECU. Fucking hell. Fucking hell. Mean as fuck. She sounds mean. The oil's changed now, so I've changed the oil on this. I've put this, I don't know if it's going to help or it's going to ruin it even more. Right now it says to leave it for 5-10 minutes. So it's on idle for 4 minutes now. I'm going to leave it for another 5 minutes. Then I'm going to turn it off, change the oil again, and then hopefully with the next oil it should run better, and change the oil filter. Yeah, so guys, now in my fucking luck, I've put that fluid in, now drained the oil still underneath. I took the sump plug-ish out. Yeah, that's this one. It goes to the hose, and that's where the oil return goes. Bod job, but look what I found out. That the bastard is cracked, so I can't put this back in, because if I tighten it and then the thread just stays in the sump, then I'm fucked. And I'm already fucked because I don't have one of these, and to make one of these is gonna take now about another week. So this video is delayed by another week or a few days, or headache, and I don't even know what to say, to be honest. Like, it's just my luck, and like that's why I don't post videos, because this video is collected for about 2 months because of shit like this that I can't do, and I can't continue to make, because I don't have people that do stuff for me. I do everything myself. But this I need to ask someone who can help me to make one of these, and then we can get it running. And I thought I'm gonna take it out this weekend so I can go do some skids and then upload the video finally, but I can't. I'm gonna drain the oil after I put this, so, and we'll see how much more metal shit we get. It's hard to see through the camera, but all of that. The tray was clean as well. Shit. That's the oil changed second time. Don't mind that bronze, it's just a spray that was dumped in earlier, but I think the engine's fucked. Let's see if we'll make it to SDC. Then when I bought the car, I've had the steering wheel like this. I'm gonna change this for my other one. Change the speedo as well. Change for this one. Shout out to Hold Fast, sending this to the UK. The new steering wheel is in, the clocks are in, the 6-pot clocks as they used to be the 4-pot. Now I'm waiting for my new shifter from YDC and the hydro, and it should be pretty sick. The new manifold is not going to be sticking out like this anymore. The bumper's off. I've done the steering wheel now. I went to the front because the intercooler is a bit wonky. How they installed it before, all of the hoses were loose, so all of this was loosened, this was loosened, that was popped out, this was loosened. I've tightened it back in, now just trying to get this intercooler back in. It might look a bit shit, but it will do the job for now until I get the proper, and I get my Mishimoto intercooler on, Mishimoto rad, and so it will be nice and popping and cooling fresh with Mishimoto. So that's the two bumpers, M Sport, SE. They look pretty much similar because this grill is cut out, but this one is better. So we're putting this on, the crash bar is there, all the clips on the table. So now let's throw this. So the crash bar's on the bumper now, so one piece. Yeah, the bumper is a bit messed up, but it will do the job for now. Time being, this was from me bashing up into my missus' old car because she was too slow. Well, intercooler is a bit straight now, not as it was wonky, so we'll see and then that's my luck from this oil return. Where is it? Oh, it's right there. Fuck, you know. Crack. So I can't really start this or drive it or anything with it, so I can do the cosmetics a little bit. And now I'm gonna put the M Sport bumper and see how it fits and see how it looks with the intercooler on. Need to pull it back, then it'll be better visible. But I used the trims from the old one, trimmed them. So the bumper's on, the plates are on. I'm gonna get some better footage once it comes out on Monday, once I get the part hopefully. And we shall see my luck if this video gets released. So the front is done. As you've seen my luck, the fucking sump, the oil return to the sump has died on me yesterday. It cracked when I took it off. I didn't crack it myself, no, it loosened out nicely, came off nicely. It just was cracked because the oil was leaking before, so even I broke it, it makes no fucking difference, does it? It's fucking gone. So we're just waiting for a new part, and hopefully it arrives on Monday. Hopefully it fits, and we should get this video continued and not delayed by another 2 fucking months. That's how she runs. She looks pretty good. Fuck. So here we are. Fucking hell. Let's see how it performs here. If you know, you know.